Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in your gallery on your Android phone. If other people are sending you images or videos on your WhatsApp and they are not being saved to your gallery, I'm going to show you the exact method that you can fix this issue. This video is going to be short and easy, so make sure you keep watching it until the end, and let's jump right in. Open up your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top right. From here, head over to settings, and inside of settings you'll see an option of chats. Tap on it, and under chat settings you can see media visibility. It says show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. If this is toggled off for you, that is the reason those media or those images are not showing on the gallery. So you can just toggle this option on. From now on, any image or video that you receive on WhatsApp will be immediately downloaded to your gallery. But for the images that have been already sent, they won't be saved automatically. You'll need to download them manually. So you can open up the chat where the image was received, and you can tap on this download icon that you will see beside the image or the video. This way you can manually download images to your gallery as well. So that's the easy video on how to fix WhatsApp images not showing on gallery. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.